Welcome everyone to the Bestsellers Market channel. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. My name is, and I'm excited to be your guide through an exciting countdown of the best-selling warning and emergency lights products on Amazon. Whether you're here to upgrade your emergency preparedness kit, enhance your vehicle's safety features, or just curious about the latest trends in warning and emergency lighting, you're in the right place. We've scoured the market to bring you the top-rated, most reliable, and highly reviewed products that customers are raving about. Without further ado, let's dive into the countdown of the best-selling warning and emergency lights products on Amazon. Sit back, relax, and let's discover the best options available to keep you and your loved ones safe and prepared. Let's get started. Ladies and gentlemen, at number 5 in our countdown of Amazon's best-selling warning and emergency lights, we present to you a powerhouse of safety and visibility, the Xprite 12 inches rooftop strobe light. Imagine this, 72 high-intensity LED chips blazing through day and night, ensuring you're seen no matter the conditions. Whether you're navigating a busy construction site, plowing through winter snow, or delivering the mail on a foggy morning, this light has you covered. It's not just a strobe light, it's a beacon of reliability. Built with precision, the Xprite strobe light boasts a robust ABS housing and a crystal-clear lens that amplifies brightness to its maximum potential. Scratch-resistant and with an IP66 waterproof rating, this light isn't just durable, it's indestructible. Rain, snow, or dust, it withstands the harshest weather, promising over 50,000 hours of impeccable performance. Now, let's talk installation. Easy, isn't it? With its powerful magnetic base, equipped with 2 pods and a total of 12 magnets, it grips your vehicle's metal rooftop with unwavering strength. And the 10-foot straight power cable gives you the flexibility to place it exactly where you need it. Switching gears to functionality, this strobe light doesn't just flash, it dazzles with versatility. The 12V cigarette plug comes with a dual switch design. One switch for power, the other to cycle through 15 dynamic flash patterns. Rotating, flashing, alternating between sides. These patterns are not just for show, they signal caution, alerting those around you to potential hazards with a clarity that can't be ignored. And if that isn't enough, peace of mind comes standard. Questions? Our professional customer service team is just a call away, ready to assist. Plus, with a 2-year warranty, you're not just buying a strobe light, you're investing in a long-term safety solution. There you have it. The Xprite 12 inches rooftop strobe light, unmatched brightness, unparalleled durability, and user-friendly design. Safety has never looked this good. Now, let's delve into the world of ultimate visibility and cutting-edge design with our number 4 pick on the list, the ASPL 8 PCS Sync feature, ultra-slim 12 LED surface mount, flashing strobe lights. This is not just a light. It's an essential beacon for any emergency situation, ensuring you are seen and safe. Imagine this. Each of the 8 lights, meticulously crafted with 12 high-intensity LED chips, enveloped in a sleek aluminum alloy housing, and topped with an ABS magnifying lens for unparalleled brightness. The result? A warning light so potent it pierces through rain, fog, dust, and snow, visible from hundreds of feet away. Durability? Absolutely. With an IP67 waterproof rating, these lights are built to withstand the harshest conditions. Over 50,000 hours of lifespan means these lights are ready to serve, no matter where your journey takes you. Moisture-proof, vibration-proof, and reliable, they stand as guardians on your path, ensuring you are visible and secure. Now let's talk about synchronization. The ASPL lights come with an upgraded sync feature. Need them to flash in perfect harmony? Just connect the white wires of all lights together. It's that simple. Red to positive, black to ground, and yellow for pattern selection. Tap the yellow wire to black for less than a second, and voila, you're on to the next mode. Installation? A breeze. These ultra-thin lights come with gaskets and screws, making them easy to mount on grills, bumpers, or anywhere on your vehicle. Universally compatible with 1224V vehicles, they blend seamlessly into any setup, providing flexibility and ease. And the piece de resistance, 26 flashing modes. Yes, 26. From steady on to single flash, double flash, and beyond. With a built-in flasher and last pattern memory recall, these lights adapt to any scenario, offering a versatile array of warning signals at your fingertips. So there you have it. The ASPL 8 PCS Sync Feature Ultra Slim 12 LED Surface Mount Flashing Strobe Lights. Superior visibility, high quality, easy installation, and unparalleled functionality. Safety has never been more sophisticated. Ladies and gentlemen, let's dive into our number 3 spot on the countdown of Amazon's best-selling warning and emergency lights. Here we introduce the ASPL 48 LED Rooftop Strobe Lights. This is the epitome of high visibility and robust performance. Picture this: 48 high-intensity LED chips, each equipped with magnifying lenses, delivering maximum light output. These lights aren't just bright, they are blindingly effective, ensuring other vehicles can't miss your presence. But brightness isn't everything. ASPL has upgraded every aspect: material, waterproof performance, cable length, and magnet strength. This strobe light is not just a tool, it's a fortress of illumination. Ease of installation? Absolutely. With 2 sets of 7 strong magnets complemented by larger, thick rubber suction cups, this light is more stable than ever. No scratches, no hassle, just secure attachment. And the 16.4-foot heavy-duty cable, combined with a universal 1224V plug, ensures you can place this light anywhere on your vehicle with ease. It's plug and play at its finest. Now let's talk versatility. With double switch buttons, you have 16 flash patterns at your fingertips. Whether you need a steady flash or an intricate pattern, it's all there. And with the memory function, your last used pattern is always ready to go. Convenience meets functionality in a seamless dance of light. Performance? It's top-notch. The integrated heatsink and anti-condensation drain port solve the issue of water vapor condensation inside the light. Completely waterproof with strong fog penetrability and dustproof and corrosion-resistant features, this strobe light is built to last. A lifespan of up to 50,000 hours ensures it will be your steadfast companion through thick and thin. This ASPL rooftop strobe light bar isn't just a light. It's a beacon for firefighters, snowplowers, safety warnings, emergency vehicles, utility workers, postal services, and construction vehicles. It's the trusted choice for those who need reliability and visibility, wrapped in a durable and easy-to-use package. The ASPL 48 LED Rooftop Strobe Light, where brightness meets durability and safety meets innovation. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling warning and emergency lights on Amazon? Well, don't be left in the dark. Light up our day by liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon so you never miss a flash of our latest updates. At number 2 on our countdown of Amazon's best-selling warning and emergency lights, we introduce a must-have for every vehicle owner: the USB Rechargeable LED Road Flares emergency lights. These aren't just lights, they're your lifeline in an emergency, offering unparalleled safety and convenience. Envision this: a compact, rechargeable LED flare kit designed to ensure your safety on the road, on water, or wherever an emergency might strike. These lights are not just practical, they're essential. Imagine gifting this peace of mind to friends and family, knowing they are prepared for any roadside emergency. Each flare in this kit boasts 9 different emergency flashing modes, perfect for various SOS rescue signals. Whether you're on the road or out at sea, these modes adapt to your needs. But it doesn't stop there. Use them for camping, hiking, or even marking police road boundaries. The versatility is astounding. Why choose these flares? Simple. Rechargeability. With a 650 mAh battery and a USB charging cable, you'll never worry about dead batteries again. Charge them at home, in your car, wherever. A red indicator shows charging, turning green when fully charged. And the best part? These flares can stand by for more than a year. Always ready, always reliable. Now, let's talk about resilience. These flares are waterproof, crush-proof, and magnetic. Each one is encased in super strong industrial engineering plastic, PC, and ABS, capable of withstanding up to 30 tons of pressure. Neodymium magnets allow easy attachment to your vehicle, while a folding hook and flashlight mode provide hands-free use. Whether working under the hood or changing a tire, these flares have got you covered. And for peace of mind, our after-sale service is unmatched. Should any issue arise, our team is ready to assist within 12 hours, ensuring your road trip remains safe and stress-free. So there you have it, the USB Rechargeable LED Road Flares emergency lights. Safety, versatility, and durability packed into one essential kit. Equip yourself and drive with confidence. And now, we've reached the pinnacle of our countdown. At number 1, we present the ultimate in versatility and innovation, the 4 PCS wireless LED strobe lights with remote control. These aren't just lights, they're a revolution in emergency and safety lighting. Imagine having the power to command your safety lights with just a remote. That's right, these LED strobe lights come with a wireless remote, giving you the ability to change colors and modes from up to 7 meters away. With a memory function, they remember your last setting, making your life that much easier. Activation is a breeze. Charge the light for 5 seconds, pull it out, and long press the remote's button. When the light turns on, you're ready to go. Let's talk options. These lights offer 8 vibrant colors: white, red, green, blue, yellow, purple, pink, and ice blue, paired with 10 dynamic modes. From pilot flash to quick flash, slow blink, and more, you have a dazzling array of choices at your fingertips, adaptable to any situation. Brightness and convenience are paramount. These strobe lights shine brilliantly, drawing attention and enhancing safety. USB rechargeable. They charge fully in just 1 hour. In flash mode, they last over 30 hours. Even in the most power-consuming modes, like red light, they last 2 hours, and white light 4 hours. Standby time exceeds a year uncharged, or 1.5 months when activated. Always ready, always reliable. Rain or shine, these lights perform. Made with IP65 waterproof material and a waterproof plug for the charging port, they withstand the elements. Installation is a cinch with 2 methods: Velcro and rubber ring. Choose the one that fits your needs best. The applications are endless. These mini strobe lights are perfect for motorcycles, trucks, drones, cars, bikes, and boats. Ideal for camping, emergencies, and ambient lighting, they adapt to your lifestyle. In your package, you'll find everything you need: 4 LED strobe lights, a remote control, 8 rubber rings, 4 Velcro stickers, 4 USB cables, and a user manual. All the essentials to get you started immediately. So there you have it, the 4 PCS wireless LED strobe lights with remote control. Unmatched versatility, ultimate convenience, and superior performance. The top choice for safety and innovation. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling warning and emergency lights on Amazon. To keep up with all the top sellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we talked about today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.